Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change a Toyota Yaris side mirror. First, gather your tools, including a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a trim removal tool. Make sure you have the correct replacement mirror for your specific Yaris model. Park your car on a level surface, engage the parking brake, and turn off the ignition to ensure safety before you begin any work. Next, we'll remove the old mirror. Begin by carefully prying off the interior trim panel covering the mirror's base, often found near the window. Use your trim removal tool to avoid damage. Once exposed, disconnect any electrical wiring harnesses. Then, unscrew the 3 or 4 mounting bolts that secure the mirror to the door. With the bolts removed, you can gently pull the old mirror away from the vehicle. Now, let's install your new mirror. Align the new mirror's base with the mounting holes on the door frame. Insert and hand-tighten the mounting bolts first, then use your screwdriver to fully secure them, ensuring a snug fit. Reconnect the electrical connector, making sure it clicks firmly into place. Before replacing the trim, turn on your car and test the mirror's adjustments and heating functions. Finally, reattach the interior door panel trim, ensuring all clips are properly seated. Give it a gentle push to confirm it's secure. Double-check all mirror functions, including power adjustments and any integrated turn signals, to ensure everything works correctly. Clean the mirror glass with a suitable cleaner for clear visibility. Take a moment to confirm the mirror is stable and firmly attached before driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.